Welcome to another episode of the GSat Track How-To series. In this video, I'm going to cover the Asset Activation Report. What this report does is it allows us to capture an overall view of our devices. We can use our nomenclature to understand when they were activated and when they were deactivated. Also, when they had less contact and their last location that they reported. What this report really does is it shows us a quick way that we can easily manage return on investment and understand if we're wasting money. And I'll explain that right now. An asset nomenclature is kept here within the report. We're also able to see the device ID. We also can tell the type of device that's being reported on the portal, and of course its activation date. In the case that a device is deactivated, we can see that as well. We can also see the person who did these actions, both activating and deactivating. We also can see when the device last contacted GSat Track and the location that it did so. Now, how does this save on money and really drive home that return on investment? What this does is this allows us to see devices that may be out in the field that have not checked in quite some time. And so in that case, they can be removed from the portal. You can cancel your satellite service if it's not being used. Or in the event that you have several devices out there, maybe you can return a device into circulation if it is not yet deactivated. This also gives us a good idea of maybe you had a device at one time and you can see the deactivation date, when that took place, when it was removed from the portal. That information is readily available here and who did it. So we're really able to understand the information being provided. And we're able to see its last known location. So if we have a device that's reporting its contact, we're able to really understand what's going on with it and really define, am I using this device or not? If I'm not using this device, let's turn off our satellite service or GSM service and stop paying for things that we don't need, which in the end saves you money as a business owner and operator. Well, there it is. That's the Asset Activation Report. Thank you very much, and I look forward to our next video.